Hello and welcome to the Math for Fun, and in this video I'm going to show you how do you solve linear equation involving multiplication and division. Let's start with this question. Here we have 2x minus 3 equals to 7. What do we need to do? We need to find how much is x. To find x, first of all we look at x. X is multiplied by 2 and there is a minus 3 beside it and then equals to 7. So we start in order. We have to remove the negative 3 first. To remove the negative 3, what do? We can add plus 3 on each side of the equation. So minus 3 and plus 3 will go, and 7 plus 3, which is equal to 10. Then you will have 2x equal to 10. Now we have 2 beside x. To remove 2, we divide each side of the equation by 2. So 2 over 2, you get 1. So you're left by 1x, and we don't need to write the 1. And 10 divided by 2, which is equal to 5. So x equal to 5 is the solution. Let's check if 5 is a correct solution for this equation. So what do? We can replace x by 5 in the main equation. So replace it, which means that it's 2 times 5. So 2 times 5 is 10. 10 minus 3 is 7. 7 is equal to 7, which is correct. So x equals to 5 is a correct solution. Let's check another example. Here we have t over 4 equals to minus 14. Now, as you see that 4 is in the denominator under t. So, and the proper shape of this expression is 1 over 4t, which means that there is a fraction 1 over 4 multiplied by t. How do we remove that? You know that 4 times 1 over 4, it gives us 1. So to remove the 1 over 4, what do? We multiply both sides of the equation by 4. So we multiply 4 times t over 4 and we multiply minus 14 by 4. Now the left side, 4 times 1 over 4, it gives us 1 as we mentioned before. And the minus 14 times 4 is equal to minus 56. And the 1 beside t, you don't need to write it because 1t is t and t equal to minus 56 is the solution of the equation. Let's see another example. Here we have 3m over 5 equals to minus 15 and we want to find m. To find m, we have a fraction multiplied by m, which is 3 over 5. To get rid of 3 over 5, we multiply the whole equation by the reciprocal of 3 over 5, which is 5 over 3. Why? Because 5 over 3 times 3 over 5, it gives us 1. And you can do it in another way. You can say 5 times 3 is 15. 3 times 5 is 15. So you will get 15 over 15, which is 1. So 1m is 1. And for the right side, we have minus 15 times 5 over 3. You can multiply minus 15 by 5 and you get minus 45 and then divide it by 3. But it's better to divide first. What do? We divide minus 15 by 3 first. And then the answer, we multiply it by 5. So minus 15 divided by 3, it gives us minus 5. And minus 5 times 5 is minus 25. And here the answer. Let me give you a shortcut if you have a similar question. If you have 3m over 5 equals to minus 15 or any other fraction, what do? You change the minus 15 to be like a fraction, like minus 15 over 1. Because minus 15 over 1 is minus 15. And now, look at that. Look at the 5 here in the denominator. What do? We move it up into the second side of the equation. So it was in the denominator of the first side. Move it to the numerator on the second side and multiply it by the numerator. And look at 3 also. What do we do with the 3? We move it down in the next side. So it becomes in the denominator. You can repeat the video if you want to see it again. And now you have minus 15 over 1 multiplied by 5 over 3. We can simplify first, like minus 15 divided by 3, which is minus 5. And then the answer multiplied by 5, you get minus 25. And this would be the final answer. Did you like the shortcut? I hope so. And here I can say that we reached the end of the video. In the next video, I'm going to show you how do you solve linear equations with variables on both sides. And if you like the video, don't forget to like and share. And welcome to Math for Fun. And bye for now.